Back when we were kids, life was exciting. We didn't have to understand everything. We just wanted to have fun. And I think somewhere along the way, that spirit kind of got lost. Let's open some people's eyes and transform them back into kids when they actually didn't have to understand everything. Today, we have a mission.
What is the cutest thing a man could do for you on Valentine's Day? A rose?
Flower.
Flowers?
Because you know what? I actually brought you a flower.
And I have something for you. A lighter. Would you just light it up?
Whoa! For you.
Wow, så cute!
But I guess one isn't enough, right?
I guess one flower isn't enough. Maybe if I just... We'll make more beer. It's kind of hard. Well, wait a second. God, actually.
Wow.
This one? Yeah? Okay. Oh, very nice. Oh shit.
Red Bull?
Sure, you want to have it?
Let's make a trick with that. Okay, watch the Red Bull.
What?
Can also do that with a Coke.
Wait, don't throw it away. Give it to me. You have the cap also?
Sure. Take the bottle, take the cap. Watch this.
What?
I think the cap penetrated the bottle, right? And you can't get it out anymore.
What else is in that bag?
My bag?
My bag, your bag.
You want to see another trick?
Yeah, sure. Hold on, let me focus.
I have Fanta right here.
Okay.
I have... Wait, there's a Coke in there.
Okay.
What do you want? Trick?
I don't know. Show me a trick with the Fanta, maybe.
The Fanta?
Yeah.
Okay then. Watch this. What Fanta you meant, bro? What? There's nothing inside.
Are you kidding me, bro? You want me to show you my secret tic-tac hiding spot?
No.
Come on.
Just please drive home.
There, inside
What's that?
of my car. It's there's one last tic-tac.
Yeah,
Wanna have it?
Me.
But wait, before I give it to you, let me show you something.
Another magic trick?
Yeah, sure. Watch. It's inside, and I can
Yeah.
just like that. You've got something behind your under your. Wait, let me just get that out. Is that a spider? No, like. Wow. Are you preparing for like New Year's Eve or what? Honestly, let's just enjoy the moment for a bit. It makes life more fun.
I saw.